Is it Mr. Williams?
It's Swara that is talking. My Lord,
Okay, Mr. Wara.
yes, sir. My Lord, in respect to, I'm hearing for the first time when the council to the claimant talking about the settlement, it's strange to me because even this morning I spoke with the fifth defender to fifth, sixth, eighth, ninth defender, and they never brought that to my attention. So I'm surprised
Okay,
hearing
Mr.
this
Wara.
morning for the first time.
Mr.
Yes,
Wara,
yes,
I
my
think that
Lord.
is just by the wayside, but it's just by the wayside. Let's do what we have before us. He said there is a motion
Yes, my
filed.
Lord.
So have you been served with a copy of the motion? Mr. Wara. Mr. Wara,
Yes, my Lord.
have you been served with claimant's motion or notice filed on the 22nd day of July?
Yes, my Lord. We are served yesterday a motion dated 22nd July 2026.
Mr. Williams,
My Lord,
have you been served with the motion?
Yes, I've been served.
Are you opposing the motion?
No, my Lord.
Okay, Mr. Wara, are you opposing?
We are not opposing the motion.
Mr. Ikato,
My Lord,
have you been served with
I'm
a
not
copy of the motion?
opposing the application. We commend the effort of the My Lord.
I'm coming.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
What are you
As
saying?
I was okay, this is Ikato speaking. As I was saying earlier, I said we are not opposing the application, but however, we'll be asking for a cost because we have filed all our necessary processes and
Mr. Ikato, let us get to that point.
I somebody gathered your lordship.
Okay. Mr. Obwe.
Yes, my Lord.
Can you proceed to move your motion?
As the court pleases. Before my Lord is a motion on notice dated the 17th day of July 2026 and filed on the 22nd day of July 2026. And the application is seeking an order of this honorable court for leave to strike out the names of the first and 11th defendants in this suit. Although the application is supported by an 8-paragraph affidavit deposed by David Ishikaku, the first claimant in this suit. I'll rely on all the paragraphs of the affidavit. And we further file a written address in support of the application dated 17th day of July 2023. And in the presence of no objection to the said application, we move in terms of the motion paper, my Lord.
Okay. Having listened to claimant's counsel while moving his motion dated 17th day of July 2026 and filed on the 22nd day of July 2026, seeking to strike out the names of the 1st to 11th defendants sued as 1st to 11th defendants on record, the motion, having not been opposed by counsels to the 1st defendant, 7 to 10 defendants, and 6 to 6, 8, 9, and 11 defendants' counsels, the motion is accordingly hereby granted as prayed.
As a court pleases.
Court pleases.
Yes. Yes, what's the next thing to do?
All right, my lord, the 1st and 11th defendants having been struck out from the suit, we are left to proceed with the other defendants in the suit. And as I informed the court earlier, the second
Mr. Oboy. Sorry. Yes.
We are proceeding against the second to the 10th defendant as it stands right now. And I informed the court that though we've already filed a further affidavit and the one we responded to is the counter affidavit that was just struck that they are withdrawing to file a fresh one. So in the circumstance, we want them to formally withdraw their counter affidavit so we can know the one that is before the court for us to be able to know what we are responding to as it stands now. Because what was struck out is the further counter affidavit. They still have a counter affidavit before the court and also another joint counter affidavit before the court. so they can withdraw one of them and we know where we stand.
Okay, let him speak, please. Oh boy, let him speak for himself. Yes, Mr.
All right, my lord.
Mr. Williams.
Okay, my lord, we have a house clearing application.
Mr. Williams, you have a house cleaning.
Yes, we have a house clearing application dated 17th of April 2026 and filed on the same date. So, my lord, with your kind permission, we humbly wish to move our application.
Please, you said the motion is dated what?
17th of April 2026.
17th of April.
2026 and filed on the same date.
Yes, Mr. Oh boy, have you been served?
I was served with the said application, but I'm a little bit confused here. I was informed by the counsel to the 7th and 10th defendants that they have filed a fresh copy of their joint counter affidavit. I wouldn't know if moving this application will not be a confusion any further, because if they file a joint, which although I have not seen the process, if they are moving this application to regularize a previously filed counter affidavit and they've also filed a new counter affidavit, I wouldn't know to what end moving this application would be to. I would have expected that the application should be for extension of time to regularize the current one they just filed, unless they are telling the court that they don't intend to use the current one they just filed.
Okay, Mr. Williams.
Yes, my lord.
Please, can you clarify?
Yes, my lord. I was thinking that I could move the application. I could come in, then after which I could later withdraw the application and now move the recent one that we filed, the one dated on 15th.
You have you filed another counter affidavit?
Yes, we have, because the last adjourned date, I think the council, the leading council this matter, said that he filed a further counter affidavit, so that he had more facts, so he had to file a further counter affidavit. So the court asked that we explain the propriety or otherwise of a further counter affidavit. So since we've gone and seen that it is alien to our laws, so we want to withdraw all of them, all the further counter affidavit that we filed. The earlier ones we filed, and we have a fresh one.
Mr. Williams.
My lord.
Talk to us in a way that we can be able to appreciate what you are saying.
Okay.
Go to specifics. Which of the counter affidavits, so that we understand. Now there is a motion you filed, and you intend to move to, for leave to file counter affidavit, right?
Yes.
And you said you've already filed another counter affidavit.
Yes.
That is, before this court. I don't know when you filed that counter affidavit, because I'm seeing a lot of counter affidavits here.
Yes, we filed a fresh one on the 15th of July 2026.
That's the 7th defendant's counter affidavit?
Yes, the 7th defendant counter affidavit and the 10th defendant counter affidavit. We filed it on the 15th of July 2026.
I'm coming. I can see that of...
It's the same process, my lord. They are severally filed, but they are joined together. They are severally filed.
I'm coming. Let me sort it out. Let me sort it out. Okay. The counter affidavit you are referring to, in respect of the 10th defendant, is the one filed on the 5th day of May.
Yes, on the one filed, the fresh one filed on the 15th of July 2026.
I can see 15 July. That's
Yes.
that of the 7th defendant.
Yes, the 7th and the 10th. Inside it, we have the 10th defendant.
Oh, inside, the 7th
yes.
count, okay. Okay.
Exactly, my lord.
Okay, I can see it at page 7, right?
Yes.
Mr. Williams, at page 7, right?
Yes, my lord, page 7.
Okay, I can see it. Yeah, so what are you saying in essence?
So, my lord, we just filed it. We filed it
So
on
what
the 15th.
what is the use of that motion?
My lord, I didn't get that, my lord.
What is the use of the motion that you now intend to move?
Okay, my lord, I was thinking that because the motion was it was a house clearing application in the earlier
to file
filed.
what?
My lord,
To file what? Housekeeping application to file what?
the earlier filed affidavit dated 17th of April. So I was thinking I could move that motion and later withdraw it since it is it has not been since it we have not allowed it in.
Okay. Now, Mr. Williams, since there
Yes,
is
my
no,
lord.
we don't need that. Since you filed another motion, a counter affidavit, you filed another counter affidavit. What
Right,
I
my
will
lord.
just ask you to do is withdraw that motion and apply orally to now for leave to allow you, to regularize the filing of this counter affidavit, so that we make some progress, please.
All right. So, my lord, in that circumstance, we humbly apply to withdraw the counter affidavit, the 7 defendant counter affidavit that was filed on the 17th of April 2026, dated and filed on 17th of April 2026.
Okay.
And the 10th.
I'm coming. Let us finish with that one first.
All right,
Mr. Obwe. Mr. Obwe, Kingsley. Mr. Obwe.
I can hear you, my lord.
Yes, what is your response to his application to withdraw that motion?
We don't have any objection.
Okay. Mr.
Wara.
Mr. Wara.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, what's your response to that?
We are not opposing to that application for withdrawal.
The motion dated and filed on the 17th day of April 2026 by the 7th and 10th Defendant Counsel is accordingly hereby struck out.
As a court, please.
As a court, please.
Yes. Then can I hear you, Williams?
So, my lord, we filed the seventh defendant counter, a fresh counter affidavit by the seventh defendant. It is dated the 15th of July 2026 and filed on the same date. My lord, is a 32 paragraph affidavit.
Just what do you want? Just go straight to the point, please.
Okay, my lord, I we rely on all the amendments.
No.
Are you moving any motion, Mr. Williams?
No.
Make application for oral application.
Oral application to regularize. That's the point I'm making.
That's it.
Okay, my lord, I'm most guided. My lord, I already applied to regularize my process. Already applied to regularize the seventh defendant counter affidavit in opposition to the related summons filed by the claimant.
Please, the 7th and 10th.
The 7th and the 10th, my lord.
Okay. Mr. Obue.
Yes, my lord. We are not objecting to the application. We will only urge the Honorable Court to grant the application with an undertaking from the counsel to pay all the default.
Okay.
All the default fees. They were served with the originating summons, I think sometime in January or February.
Okay.
So they need to show evidence of payment of default fee ordinarily before the application will be granted.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Wara.
We are not opposed to the oral application.
Furthermore, my lord, before my lord, we rule on the application.
Yes.
Can I? All right, before my lord, the rule on the application, so we don't start making a further application again. To be on record that we have not been served with this set counter, so that in the ruling, my lord can also order that they serve us within 48 hours, so they can serve us some time for us to respond adequately.
It's okay.
All right.
May it please, my lord?
Yes.
appears for the third defendant on ground yes, but I filed motion to
Ekato,
process.
Ekato.
My lord,
Counsel.
we are not objecting to the application.
Okay.
Okay. Out of time and
but Ekato, you don't have any interest in the case again, right?
No, my lord. No, my lord. We are just here to observe proceedings. We are not observing proceedings.
Okay. You are just observing proceedings.
Yes, my lord.
You're welcome. Okay, accordingly, leave is hereby granted to the 7th and 10th defendants to file their counter affidavit dated and filed on the 15th day of July 2026. And it is also accordingly hereby deemed as properly filed and served. Yes. So, sorry, I'm coming. Counsel to the 7th and 10th defendant. The default. Of the process. So I said, counsel to the 7th and 10th defendants shall pay the default fees due and also ensure service of the processes on all the other counsels. Yes, I hope we're on the same page.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, my lord. My lord, I would have preferred if a time limit is set for the service of this process, so we don't come back on the next adjourned date and they are serving us a week to the hearing. We are not able to file. If they can still, they have filed already. If they can be ordered to serve within a limited time, so we can have enough time to file our response to the process before the next hearing date.
Okay, I've heard you. Mr. Williams, when do you think can you effect this service?
My lord, from now to before the end of next week, we're able to do that.
Why should it take you that long?
Well, I will have to hear from the leading counsel. He just said I should take up this matter today. This is my first time I'm coming to this matter, so I just gave that date. I wouldn't know my own preparations and all that.
So you are giving
subject to my law's directives.
Yes, Mr. Williams, you are given 5 working days within which to effect this service, please.
As a court, please.
Yes. So what's next, oh boy?
All right, my lord. With this done now, we will need to receive the said counter affidavit, so we can accordingly react to it and file a further affidavit. So in the circumstance, we'll urge the honorable court to adjourn for hearing.
My lord,
Yes.
Yeah. My Lord, I think since we are doing a house cleaning,
Yes.
we on the coming of the 7th and the 9th defendant, the 7th and the 10th defendant.
Yes.
My Lord directed us to file a fresh process to reflect the party we represent. And
Okay, so that
we have
the
done
record will
that.
be clear. Okay.
Yes,
I understand
and
what you are saying.
we seek to withdraw the other one so that we left with the correct one, so that when we come for hearing, the floor is
Which
clear,
one are
the
you
house is
withdrawing?
being clean.
Which one are you withdrawing, Mr.?
Okay, my Lord, the one that dated the notice of the mineral objection dated 14th day of August 2025.
You are withdrawing it?
Yes, because that very one comprised the name of the 5th to 11th defendant.
Sorry, is it Wara or Williams that is talking?
It's Wara, my Lord.
Okay, Mr. Wara.
Yes, my Lord.
You said you are applying to withdraw the notice of prior objection?
The one file on the 14th day of August.
August?
Yes, my Lord, because that very one we filed for all the
That's
defendants.
2025? That's 2025?
Yes, my Lord, 2025.
Yes.
We withdraw that very one so that the fresh one we filed, we only left in the court file.
Okay, I'm coming.
My Lord, we will also withdrawing the reply
I'm
on point
coming,
of
Wara.
law.
Let me go through my process. Okay. 11th, 14th August?
14th August.
Okay, I can see it.
Oh, yes, my Lord. And also
Okay.
the point of law.
Dated and filed.
Yes. Dated and filed 14th day of August 2025.
Yes. And what?
And also the reply of point of law dated and filed 27th August 2025.
Sorry, dated what? 27th?
27th August.
Yes.
2025.
Yes.
And also our counter.
I'm coming. Sorry, I'm coming.
(27th).
Sorry, what's the date? The date is 27th.
27th.
I am for the third defendant, my lord. My appearance has not been taken.
I'm coming. Okay. Reply on points of law for the 5th to 11th defendants. Is it the one you are referring to, Wara?
Yes, my lord, because that one reflects for the 5th
What
to
is the title?
11th.
What is the title? For the 5th to 11th defendants, right?
Yes, that is the one we filed earlier.
And reply on points of law.
Reply on point of law.
Okay. So you want it struck out? You want me to strike it out? You want me to strike it out, right?
To withdraw, yes, to withdraw because, my lord, when the 6th, the 7th and 10th defendant brought in the Leonard seal, my lord directed us to file a fresh one to reflect the party we represent. So it will be neater. It will be neater for us to withdraw those ones since we have already filed a fresh one before now.
Okay.
So that the house will be clean.
It's okay. It's okay. So you are now applying to withdraw the notice of preliminary objection dated and filed on the 14th day of August, and the reply on points of law dated 27th day of August 2025, right?
Yes, and a counter affidavit to redate someone dated 27 August.
And counter affidavit to originating summons.
Yes, dated 27th August 2025.
Okay. Okay.
Dated 28th and filed on the 27th August 2025.
Dated what?
Dated 28th and filed.
How can it be dated 28th, Mr. Wara?
Yes. Yes, my lord.
You can't date a document 28 and file it on 27th.
I'm sorry, my lord. Dated the 27th, filed on 27th August, my lord.
Dated and filed on the
27th August. Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Yes.
So now that's the application, right?
Yes, my lord. So that the house will be clean for day of hearing.
Okay.
Because currently now we have two different processes that will file based on the circumstance of the party change of counsel to the 7 and 10 defendant.
It's okay, Mr. Wara. Sorry, who is trying to announce his appearance for the third defendant?
My lord, it's me, S.V. Harry from Port Harcourt.
You are late, Mr. Harry.
S.V. Harry.
S.B. Harry.
V for Victor. V for Victor. V.
Oh, V.
Yes, my lord. For the third defendant, my lord.
Harry. Esquire.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Third defendant.
Third defendant.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. Ponticelli. Yes, my lord. I have filed my response to the original summons.
Hello?
I have also filed.
Sorry, I'm having problem getting you over here. Getting to listen to you.
A motion to regularize the counter affidavit. Yes, my lord.
Mr. Victor, Mr. Harry. Mr. Harry.
Yes, my lord.
Sorry, I want you to just respond to what Mr. Wara said. After we might have done with that, we now get to hear you. Hello, Mr. Harry. Okay.
No.
Mr. Obwe.
I'm not. My lord, in respect of the application made by Mr. Wara, we'll be objecting to the application on the ground that we are not aware of any order made by this. We are not aware of any order that was made by this court.
Yes.
For the counsel to file a fresh application to that effect. The said preliminary objection has been argued before this court already and pending ruling.
It has been argued. It has been argued.
It has been argued. It has been argued and adopted. So I wouldn't know how.
My lord,
Mr. Wara, I'm still talking. Let me finish. You can respond.
Talk first. Yes.
I wouldn't know how an application that has been argued can be withdrawn and replaced with a fresh application. It looks very, very absurd to me. I stand to be corrected and guided by the court. The said preliminary objection have been argued, and even the counter affidavit to the substantive suit has been adopted, save for the 7th and 10th defendants that came into the matter, telling the court that Mr. Wara was not briefed to represent them. He only represented them on his own volition. So there was no order of the court that fresh processes should be filed in this regard.
Okay. Thank you. Mr. Obwe.
Yes, my lord.
When was the notice of preliminary objection moved? Moved.
Let me check my record.
My lord, let me.
I'm coming, Mr. Wara. I'm coming. I will come to you, please. Just hold your peace.
Okay, sir.
It's on the 4th of September 2025.
4th of September
2025.
I'm coming, Mr. Ogwe. Mr. Obwe.
Yes, my lord.
I thought when this case was originally adjourned for ruling, right? For judgment, rather.
Yes, my lord.
For judgment, yes, my lord.
Then what happened before we now decided to reopen this case?
All right. The 7th and 10th defendants came in, informed the court that Mr. Wara was not briefed to represent them because they were not served, they were not aware of the suit.
Okay.
And after a careful consideration of the facts and everything, Mr. Wara withdrew his appearance for them on the ground that he was not briefed to represent them in this suit. And they were given leave to file their counter affidavit in response to the application. So
which
it can
means
be.
The case was, Mr. Obwe, which means the case was reopened.
Yes, my lord. It was reopened.
Well, if it was reopened, then we will now have to do everything afresh, Mr. Obwe.
And the complices?
Because it was adjourned for judgment, but unfortunately something intervened, and we now decided to reopen the case. So we can't now say that the case, is still now for judgment. Processes are still coming in.
And the complices?
As the court pleases.
Okay.
So in that in the circumstance, we'll be asking for a cost.
Okay.
Because we have filed our necessary responses to the said application. That will bring in new costs on the claimant to find the response. And the said chaos was caused by the.
Mr. Obwe?
We're asking for just 200,000 naira.
My lord,
because the situation was caused by the council that is seeking to exchange.
It's okay, Mr. Obwe. I've heard you.
My lord,
I'm coming, Wara. I'm coming, please, Wara. I'm coming. Mr. Williams.
My lord, I'm here.
Yes. Are you following?
Yes, my lord, I'm with you.
So what is your response to the application made by counsel to the 6th, 8th, 9th, and 11th defendants?
My lord, we are not objecting.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Wara.
Yes, my lord, the issue of a cost raised by my counsel to the claimant does not arise in this situation. My lord, on the 25th of February 2026, on coming of the 7th and 10th defendant, what my lord asked us is just to file a process that will reflect the parties we present. Nothing
Mr. Wara,
was changed apart from
you conceding to the cost or not? Are you conceding to the cost or not?
We are not conceding to the cost, my lord, because the issue of cost, we are not conceding to cost.
That's okay. It's okay.
Because it has no bearings on them. They file no fresh application to that regard. It's the one they file as is standing.
Yes, upon the application of counsel to 6th, 7th, and 9th defendants now, withdrawing their notice of plenary objection dated and filed on the 14th day of August 2025, the reply on points of law dated and filed on the 27th day of August 2025, and counter affidavit to originating summons dated and filed on the 27th day of August 2025. The application having not been opposed is accordingly hereby granted as prayed. Accordingly, the notice of plenary objection, reply on points of law, and the counter affidavit are hereby struck out.
Are the court places?
There is no order as to cost.
Are the court places?
As court pleases.
Yes. So the cost is now clear, I believe.
Yes, my lord.
Yeah. Yes,
Okay.
my lord.
But Mr. Harry, is he no longer with us?
I'm with you, sir. I'm with you.
So what you were saying something?
Yes, my lord. I filed my process out of time, and there's an application to regularize filed this morning. I have served the claimants counsel in Port Harcourt here. It's also based in Port Harcourt.
You served him this morning, right?
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Obwe.
Yes, my lord.
Can you be able to take that motion?
I don't think so, because I'm not even with a copy of it here. But
Okay,
they said it was served in Port Harcourt.
okay.
I think it should
Okay,
be
Mr.
I served
Okay.
the lawyer who filed the
Mr.
process.
Mr. Harry. Mr. Harry.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, please let me finish with the other councils. Let me finish with the other councils. Williams, have you been served?
No, my lord, I've not been served.
Mr. Wara, have you been served?
We have not been served.
So, Mr. Harry. Mr. Harry. Wow. Register, please. You can give me a date.
Yes, I have also not been served. Yes, my lord.
Okay. Okay, that's Mr. Kato. Ekato. Mr. Ekato.
Mr. Ekato is no
my
longer
lord.
in the.
He's no longer part of us, I know, but it's like he has been participating in the proceedings.
No, sir, that is not Mr. Ekato. I think it was Mr. Williams.
Okay. So, councils, I intend to adjourn the matter for us to now make progress and perhaps take the motion that Mr. Harry is saying that he just filed. We can adjourn for hearing, but then I think we should have been able to file all the necessary processes and also react to the same.
Very well, my lord.
Okay. Registrar, can you give me a date? Okay.
If I may be guided by the courts, my lord, I will.
Yes.
I think it will not be necessary again for us to refer with the circumstances of striking out the name of the first and 11th defendant. I wouldn't know if it's a necessity.
Well, it may be neater, but I think left to me, actually, I don't think as if it's necessary. But if
All
you
right,
do
my lord.
it,
When we are filing our further affidavit, we just reflect the new parties in our further affidavit.
Yes, that is it. That does it.
All right, my lord. And finally, before my lord give the adjournment date, so I wouldn't shut my brother out, the substantive counsel for the 7th and 10th defendant, because he also called me this morning. We also spoke. So there have been talk behind the backdrop to see to any possible amicable settlement between the parties in the suit. So he is presenting us. So we have given him our assurance that the claimants are also very open to having an amicable settlement in the whole matter to resolve it. So I assured him that I will inform the courts of that development since we are going into vacation. Before the vacation is over and before the next adjourned date, if there is any positive development, we'll report to the court. But we are not stopping the adjournment to hearing. If before that day there is positive move, we'll report settlement instead of the hearing.
It's okay, Mr. Eboy. Thank you very much for the efforts.
All right.
So this case is adjourned to 14th day of December 2026 for hearing.
Pardon, 17.
14th, 14. Yes.
December.
Yes, December.
Yes,
thank you very much for coming.
Thank you, my lord.
Thank you, my lord.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, my lord.
Grateful.